Alright, so you're going to get out a blender cup of choice, add non-dairy milk, a ½ inch of turmeric, a ½ inch of ginger, some maca powder, maple syrup, cinnamon, and black pepper. Then you're just going to put the blender cap back on it and blend it for about 1 minute. Once it's done, then you're going to get out a small pot and just add the liquid to it and whisk it until the mixture becomes a warm or hot temperature. Then you can pour it into any mug of your choice and you can serve it.